A couple summers ago, I put you on back to school game. A couple summers ago, I put you on back to school game. And I've been doing that every summer since. Now, I want to announce something. Walmart is full, and these composition books at 50 cents is all over the shelf. Yeah, the back to school stuff have been out because the schools in the US give back to school a little bit earlier. And these black and white composition hardcover books are all over the shelf at 50 cents. And let me say it again, 50 cents per book. Let me zoom in a little bit on the price here. Now, normally I encourage you to buy back to school stuff after the kids in the US, but after the kids in the US is already back in school. These composition books are a buy now if you're going to buy them. So a while back, somebody wanted to do a back to school treat. And they asked me where could they buy school bags. And I introduced them to this site. It's called Bags in Bulk. And it's not just bags. It's all sorts of school supply in bulks. And this is where we get our school supply for our back to school for our staff kids. Yes. As you know, we are one of the best companies to work for, and we treat our employees well. But as you can see here, you could get this bag for $6. Well, this whole entire set for $6. But let's get to the bags in bulk, where you could get this 18-inch bag for as low as $3. This is for like 6-year-old basic school kids. And then this one for as low as $10. But you have to buy a minimum of a dozen, I think. Yes, a dozen. These prices are amazing, right? And it is real. And the quality is, I would not say Timur or Sheen. I think more like Fashion Nova. Because I've been doing this for a few years with these bags, buying the bags in bulk. And it actually does work. All sorts of supply, rulers, all sorts of supply. So this is where you get your bags in bulk if you want to do a treat or something like that.